It looked so simple. 4 easy payments, no interest. Just tap, and it is yours. But nobody warned Zaka what was really about to happen. Each purchase felt harmless. Just a little payment here, just a small installment there. The phone made it so easy. One tap, one smile, done. What could possibly go wrong? This is where it gets dangerous. Each purchase feels small alone. But pile them together? Suddenly you have 16 payments all arriving at the same time, and your salary only comes a month. Zara had a job, she earned well, but her salary was gone before it even arrived in her account. Rent was late, food was tight, and when the world felt too heavy, she called the one person who always made it light. And the payments kept coming. "51% of people who use buy now, pay later say it made their financial situation worse. Not better, worse." The trap was mom. The trap was never the product. The trap was the illusion of affordability. When something feels easy to buy, it does not mean it is easy to pay. Real financial freedom is waiting until you can afford it in full. 3 months later, Zara bought the same dress she originally wanted. But this time, she paid in full. No payments waiting, no debt following her. Just the peace of owning something you actually earned. Small payments feel harmless, but 16 small payments feel like a prison. Before you tap button next time, ask yourself one question. Can I afford this all at once? If the answer is no, put the phone down.